This is already we did this also. Up to this we did yesterday. So today formally I'm going to start with the chapter 1. So dear students, chapter 1 is the chemical reaction and equation. First, let me tell you about the important topics of the chapters, in which introduction of the chapter that we will going to start now. The second is definitions of chemical reaction, chemical equation, reactant, product, catalyst, etc. Third is types of chemical reaction with the example. Fourth, balancing of chemical equations. Fifth, rancidity and corrosion, concept related to rancidity and corrosion we will study. The sixth is chemical reaction in our daily life. So this is all about in this chapter. So we will start with the introduction of chapter 1, that is chemical reaction and equation. So as you are well acquainted that this chapter will come of 3 marks in exam, in which 1 mark question will come the balancing the chemical reaction, and 2 definitions or 1 question can become of 2 marks. So dear students, chemical reaction. First, let's understand what do you mean by chemical reaction. What is the meaning of chemical reaction? Chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances, the reactants, are converting to one or more different substances. So once again see, it is a process in which one or more substances, those one or more substances which is going to be react is known as reactant, and it convert to one or more different substances. It means that it will change into new substance. That new substance is called product. Those substances are either chemical elements or compound. A chemical reaction rearranges the constituent atoms of the reactant to create different substance as a product. So in previous classes, in junior classes, you have studied about atoms, compound, molecules. So you know very well compounds can be formed from atom. When 2 or more than 2 atoms are combining, it will form compound and molecules. So dear students, as you can see in this picture, a fire is there. It means that a log burning in a fire. Log mean a wood piece burning in a fire. Burning wood is an example of chemical reaction in which wood in the presence of heat and oxygen is transformed into carbon dioxide, water and vapor pressure. It means that reactant is wood here, and the carbon dioxide, water vapor and ash, these are product here. So fire is the best example of chemical reaction to understand the chemical reaction in our daily life. So next is about the history of chemical reaction. Okay, from where the chemical reaction has originated. At first, one picture is over there. At first, Antoine Lavoisier, he was the first scientist in 1700s. At the time 1700s, he studied the chemical reaction at first, and he concluded that the mass before a reaction occurred was the same as the mass after the reaction occurred. This helped shape what we know today. So about the history of chemistry, the first chemical reaction that was used in a controlled manner was fire, as I have given you example. So next is in introduction of topic. Now name of the chapter chemical reaction and equation, and let's formally start the definition of chemical reaction. What do you mean by definition of chemical reaction? A chemical reaction, it is a process where the reactants gets converted into product. A chemical reaction is a process, it is a process where the reactants get converted into product, which may be under an influence of catalyst. So dear student, you can see here reactant is written in bold, product and catalyst is written in bold. So we need to try to understand first what is the meaning of reactant, product and catalyst. So reactant, all the chemical equation, chemical formula that is written left hand side and before arrow, that arrow which is you can see in the bottom, one example is there and one arrow is there, and one formula is before the arrow, one formula is after the, two formulas are after the arrow. So before the arrow, the 2H2O, it is called reactant. So everything whatever is written before this arrow is known as reactants, reacting species. These reacting species will convert into a new substance that is called product, which can be written in the right hand side. So you can see the what is the meaning of product. Product is all those chemical equations and formula that is written right hand side of the arrow, that is called product. So in this, water is decomposed into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. So hydrogen gas and oxygen gas is form as a product, and H2O is known as reactant. So third is catalyst, which help the reaction to proceed. The role of catalyst is to proceed the reaction toward the direction. So for example, it can be temperature, any element, or any chemical enzyme. Next is chemical reaction can be written with the help of chemical symbol. Yes, in a chemistry, chemical reaction we can write in the form of chemical symbol. Suppose in junior classes you have studied some symbols of atoms, like hydrogen is symbolized as H, carbon can be written as C, oxygen is given O, sodium is Na, etc., etc., etc. So chemical equation, what is the meaning of chemical equation? Definition: a chemical equation is the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction. A chemical equation is the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction. For example, like in a statement we have written, magnesium reacts with oxygen will produce magnesium oxide. It means that magnesium reacts with oxygen. Reacts mean react sign can be written in the plus sign. Will produce sign can be written in the arrow form, magnesium oxide. So you can see it is a combination reaction, or you can see the example of oxidation reaction. So magnesium symbol is Mg, and in bracket S is written, that is solid state. So it means that before reacting the magnesium is in the solid state. Oxygen O2G, that is oxygen is in the gaseous form and convert into MgO, that is solid state. So it is written reactant state, reaction proceed, product. So next is how we can come to know chemical reaction is occurring in our surrounding. So there are basically 5 identification factors. First is change in state, change in taste. If anywhere, anything where we can observe the taste is changing, suppose you are taking normal water. If normal water doesn't have taste, it is tasteless. But the moment you will add a pinch of salt in it, the water will become salty. Same the change in color. Suppose change in color, you can take white color. If white color you will add red color in it, so its color will change. So this is also one of the example of chemical reaction. Evolution in gas, wherever gas will evolve, smoke, okay, or gas, so that is also chemical reaction. Change in temperature, wherever there is change in temperature, you will see the variation in temperature, that is also the example of chemical reaction. So as you know about, as we studied about the Antoine Lavoisier, he was the first scientist to introduce this chemical reaction. So he has told that according to his one law is there, that is law of conservation of mass, which told that matter can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. It means that the number of reactant side, the mass of reactant side is always equal to the mass of product side. So dear student, with this I am going to end this. So conclusion quickly, we have studied today introduction of syllabus, introduction of chapter 1, meaning of chemical reaction, history of chemical reaction, definition of chemical reaction and its parts, chemical equation with example, characteristic of chemical reaction, conclusion. So that's it for today. Hope so you enjoyed this, you will understand this. Tomorrow I will come with the types of chemical reaction. Thank you. Have a nice day.